The following segment is presented by Bremo Pharmacy.
Today we are talking about support with Bremo Pharmacy. Everybody needs a little more support in their lives. And in this case, we're talking about compression hose with Tana Kaefer. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Now, tell us a little bit about compression hose and how so many people, more than you would think, just outside of the elderly, really could use this for their legs and blood flow.
Absolutely. So today we're going to talk about graduated compression.
Okay.
Graduated compression actually provides a tighter compression at the ankle that slowly decreases as you work up the leg. Okay? So this helps with normal blood flow, taking blood from our veins in our legs back up to our heart, and that's what we want to happen. And that happens when we're in movement normally. So our calf muscles push on those veins. We have the valves that open, allow the blood to flow back up to the heart. That's what we want to happen. However, because we sit for long periods of time or we're not in movement all the time, that can cause these valves that I'm talking about to become weaker over time, allowing blood to maybe flow in the wrong direction. So we can use the graduated compression that helps provide that blood flow back up to the heart.
And it's not really normal for humans to sit for long periods of time, but if you have a desk job or you drive long distances a lot, it really kind of messes up your system a lot.
Absolutely. So I like to say that everyone should have compression garments. Okay. You might hear them called support socks or socks,
okay.
But we'll talk compression hose today. And when you hear the word compression hose, you might think women. These are for women, but actually we have some nice styles for men as well, so they're not just for women. Of course, there are certain risk factors that put you at risk for leg problems.
Tell me about those risk factors.
All right, so we have heredity. Obviously, nothing you can do about that. If varicose veins, spider veins run in your family, this would be a great thing, a garment to get in early to help prevent that from happening.
Oh, so they are a preventative measure as well.
Absolutely.
Okay, okay.
Aging, we talked about those valves in the legs. Over time, those valves become weaker. And so normally there's swelling and the blood is flowing in the opposite direction than it's supposed to. Pregnancy is a huge risk factor. So we know of all the problems that can happen with pregnancy with varicose veins, spider veins, and that volume overload that just happens as a normal part of pregnancy. So we can wear compression hose throughout the pregnancy to help avoid that swelling and those veins, spider veins that may appear.
And I see a lot of football players wearing these types of hose, and it helps with their performance?
Absolutely. So these are graduated compression hose for athletes that actually help improve performance and also post-performance with the tired, fatigued muscles.
Okay, now these are open toe. Who would be getting these sorts of compression hose?
Absolutely. So we have a lot of different things here. So when you hear the word compression hose or support hose, you might have a picture in your head of something that's not pretty.
Right.
So I wanted to kind of erase that picture and show people all the options that they do have. So of course we have the normal knee-high that can come in many different colors and styles.
Okay.
Yep. And then you mentioned the open-toed, which I like because some people need to wear compression hose every day, and that can be maybe a problematic during the spring and summertime. We want to wear our open-toed shoes. We want to wear, show off our pretty painted toes.
Yes.
So here we have that option where you can easily still wear your compression garments and wear your sandals.
Okay. You also have the thigh highs here.
That's right. We've got thigh highs, and then of course full pantyhose as well.
And those are good for pregnant women. Yeah. Okay, and now you have technicians in Bremo Pharmacy that will help people who come in make the right choice. We just have a few seconds left, but I just wanted to point that out because you're not on your own when you walk into the pharmacy, right?
Absolutely. We have certified fitters that will get you in the garment that is best suited for your needs.
Well, thank you so much, Tana, and if you at home want to find out more information about Bremo Pharmacy and their compression hose, visit bremorx.com.